If you've been searching for a solid alternative to Firebase, you might have stumbled upon Supabase. But does it really live up to the hype? Today we're diving into what makes Supabase tick and whether it's worth your time. Supabase positions itself as an open source Firebase alternative, aiming to simplify backend development for web and mobile applications. Right off the bat, you'll notice its user-friendly interface, which is a big plus for developers who want to get up and running quickly. It's built on PostgreSQL, meaning you get a powerful relational database right out of the box, along with features like real-time subscriptions and authentication. What stands out is the ease of integration. Supabase offers a straightforward API and a well-documented SDK, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced developers. However, some users might find certain functionalities, like advanced query support, not as robust as they'd expect from a traditional database. Also, while the platform claims to be scalable, there's limited information on how it performs under heavy loads, which could be a concern for larger projects. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, Supabase is genuinely easy to use, especially for those familiar with SQL. The open source nature allows for flexibility and customization, which is a huge bonus for developers looking to tweak their setups. Plus, the community support is pretty active, which can help you troubleshoot issues. On the downside, there are some trust concerns regarding its performance at scale, especially since it's still evolving. Also, while it covers the basics well, advanced features may require additional workarounds or custom solutions, which might frustrate some users. Pricing is also something to think about, as while the base service is free, scaling might lead to costs that aren't entirely clear up front. So, should you consider Supabase? If you're a developer looking for an open source solution that simplifies backend tasks, it's definitely worth a try. However, if you need a highly robust and scalable solution right out of the gate, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a promising tool, but with some caveats.